A celestial spectacle is unfolding in the sky, and it is really a once-in-a-lifetime chance to watch the planet Venus transit over the Sun. From about 3:30 a.m. Venus has started traveling across the face of the Sun, and you can actually see the planet's path. This dance of the planets is so rare that you don't want, if you miss it today, you probably won't be watching it for the next 105 years. It is a unique alignment of the Sun, Venus and the Earth that makes this magic happen. But don't watch the Sun directly, you could get blinded. Use a pinhole camera or watch NDTV as we go across live to Kolkata, where the Birla Planetarium has organized a public viewing for enthusiasts. And the rare event can be seen all over India. Here are the pictures from Guwahati at dawn. People gearing up to watch the once-in-a-lifetime event. And the Venus's transit will peak just after 7 a.m. when the black hole dot of the Venus can be observed at the innermost point of the solar disk. Pictures from Lucknow, which were taken earlier, the black spot just about visible. And Monideepa Banerjee joins us from the Birla Planetarium in Kolkata. Moni, it's truly a rare spectacle. Take us through what's happening.
Yes, Bhairavi, I have seen the beauty spot on the Sun's face, quite a spectacular sight. And of course, I've used these glasses. Apparently, they are from Germany. They are special solar eclipse glasses. So whoever wants to catch a glimpse of Venus, please be careful and please use the correct glasses, or, look through a pinhole camera to see the spectacle. Don't do it with the naked eye or with an X-ray film or with some old film or camera film or whatsoever. So do be careful. With that warning, let me take you across to Dr. Devi Prasad Duari. He is the Director Research and Academics at the Birla Planetarium, who has set up this outfit for Kolkata to come and watch. Sir, what is the most spectacular thing that you have seen today?
Yeah. Today in the early morning, the sun was supposed to rise from the eastern horizon at 4:51. But there were low-lying clouds, so till around 5:15, the sun could not be seen. But the moment sun was up, and when we looked eagerly through a solar filter or a 14 number welder's glass, we could see a beautiful black spot in the middle of the sun. Not exactly at the middle, in one side, on the left-hand side of the sun, there is a black spot. And that made my day, because that is the reason we are all here today. It's almost like a festival kind of atmosphere, and I could hear there are quite a number of people already waiting outside the gate of the school building to come in and see. But unfortunately, at present, a cloud bank has entered, and at present the sun cannot be seen properly. But that doesn't have dented anybody's enthusiasm, because everyone here is eagerly waiting for the sun to peek out of the cloud and the fantastic celestial event to be seen.
And we have several hours, right, Dr. Duari?
Yes, yeah, because the black dot of Venus will be traversing the sun's disk till 2 minutes past 10. And by 10:21 it will come out. So we have another 4 hours roughly to see this particular event, because at 2 minutes past 7 it will be at the innermost point of the sun. So the maximum, the highlight, the climax will be at 2 minutes past 7. So we are all waiting for that.
We'll wait for that, but tell me, why is it scientifically important? Why is the whole world watching this event? Astronomically, what does it tell you?
Yeah. The transit of Venus historically is extremely important from the scientific aspect as well, because it was by the calculation of Edmund Halley who showed that if one can observe this Venus transit from two different points of the Earth and find out the time interval of the passage, then we can measure the distance from Sun to Earth. Prior to that, a scientist or any person never had any absolute idea of distance in our solar system.
I have been reading that apparently today you can also try and get a sense of the climate on Venus. Is that correct?
Yes, because as the Venus will be entering or coming out of the disk, a very thin line, a thin layer of light can be seen over Venus. And that is happening because Venus has an atmosphere. And the sun's light passing through the atmosphere will create that glow.
But Venus is also the goddess of love.
Yes.
What are the superstitions or stories that are associated with this amazing planet?
Right. Generally, since, as you mentioned, that Venus is goddess of love, and generally people believe it always brings good luck to people on whom it is showering its blessings. So this particular event, unfortunately, some people who are called astrologers, they have said that this passage of Venus over the sun will create troubles for good people.
Okay.
I really do not believe that. Okay. And they have also come out with fascinating stories like this year there will be more difficulty in our lifestyle, there will be more amount of crime, and that the lawyers will be only the beneficiaries this year. I think that is anyway the case in any society nowadays. So I don't know how much faith we have to put on that. Rather not putting the faith, we should see the scientific aspect of it and enjoy the show.
Okay, so look at the scientific aspect of it, enjoy the legends, myths and superstitions surrounding the Venus. Sure do that, but it's a scientific marvel that is being observed across the world today, and certainly in Kolkata, where a low bank of clouds has dimmed the sun for now, but when the sun peeks out from behind the clouds, be ready to spot the beauty spot on the face of the solar disk. Bhairavi?
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.